2024-2025 of kindergarten. First we have Aramiel A. Arias. She will receive a certificate and a gold medal for being Star Reader Awardee. Budding Mathematician Awardee and a bronze medal for Public Speaker Awardee. Next we have Riley Carla A. Nieva. Star Reader Awardee, Budding Mathematician Awardee, and Public Speaker Awardee. She will receive a gold medal and a certificate. Venice Aviana D. Hinumla. Star Reader Awardee, Budding Mathematician Awardee, and Public Speaker Awardee. She will receive a certificate and a gold medal. And next we have another gold medal for Faith Natalie P. Bernales, Artistic Hands Awardee. Star Reader Awardee, Juliana P.